OMG, hello. It's been forever. I've been sick. My hormones been in balance, but we're here. Everything's back to normal. So let's get to business. The viral soap. The viral soap thing. The viral soap experience. Okay, check this out. The reason in the other video I did not add the borax and the gain and the unstoppable was because I wanted to know what it was like to just use these. Yeah, I'm that curious. Um, I enjoyed it, but not so much because it does leave your clothes feeling dry. So now I want to know what it's like using these items, right? And the OxyClean. I got the powder form because that's how everybody does it, but in reality, I like liquid. I like to actually spray it on there and know that it's gonna come off. I did get my new grater. I did use it, but I kept it in here just for you guys, right? So let's get this baby going. We're gonna use this mini container for all the soaps. And I'm gonna make a Dominican video on the Hispanic soap because I totally messed up. No matter how many times they told me, I guess because they changed the packaging so many times, I got confused because I thought this was like something else, but it's really the alum one. But I wanted to make sure. So I love the baby one. This is what I use a lot lately. We're gonna talk about it. I also found this one. Listen, we're gonna talk about it. This is a different one, a different Hispanic soap. We're gonna talk about it in the next video, coming soon. When, I don't know. Soon. Oh my God, Kitty. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get going because Kitty is gonna mess everything up. I think I'm gonna get a measuring cup. Hold on. I can't get out. Oh, Kitty. Okay, everyone, this is Cleo. If you do see Cleo, that's Cleo. We're not going to use a measuring cup. I am just going to use this mason jar, 14 ounces. We're going to fill it up and pour it in the container. So let's get going. Yeah. I never use borax, I'm not going to lie. So I'm excited for this one. Oh, yo. Open this. I found my bobby pin that I misplaced. There goes Cleo. Let me taste it. I taste soap. Okay. Nothing. It smells like nothing. It tastes like nothing. Let me fill this up. I guess I'm going to use this to mix it. Come on. Are we going to talk today? I don't think so. We're not going to talk. Why do you do my nails? I wanted to, but come on, it's too much work. Okay, so 14 ounces. Bada boom. And let me remove all the stuff so we can actually see what I'm doing. And I want to get rid of this. So I'm just going to use it all today and right now. Can you see? Yes, you can. So let's go Ariel. Let's see how much Ariel we have left. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. That was 10 ounces. Not bad. All in there. And we're gonna grate this. Okay, so I think this is gonna be 10 ounces as well. Oh Lord. Okay, we have 14 of that. Whatever. I'm not gonna complain. I want all of it. Bada boom. Rid of the gain. Oh my God. And I've been loving, since I moved here, this is what I've been using. I'm back at it. True Living. Midnight Bliss is better than the Gain brand. OMG. Gain, I know it's the dupe of Gain, but listen, it does not beat. What's the strips of this? It does not beat Gain. I'm sorry. Or what? I used to use the Great Value one, the purple one. Oh man, this is making a mess. But oh man. This one beats that one too. I don't care. Okay. Oh no, we got a scoop. This is gonna be my new scoop. I forgot. That was my plan. Okie dokie. I don't really like Gain anymore, honestly. I don't. Hold on, let me go turn off the water to my machine. I'm trying to be fast here. Trying to be fast. Because, you know, we don't have a lot of camera time. There we go. And voila. Let's get the foca going. I love foca, and we know this. I don't got time for the machine. I'll do the machine after this video. Voila. Ooh, a little bit more than. But you know what? It's okay. Because I love it. I love it. We got that going. Let's do the rest of the aroma. Oh. A little bit, what is it called? A little less 16 candles. I don't know. That's what I got from the Foca because it was more than 14. This is 10 point something. I don't know. 12. Ta-da. And then this baby. Come on. Oh my God, I got so many new scoops. I'm so excited. I forgot about all of this. Okay. Maybe 14 was a bit too much, you guys. Oh, I think this whole Tupperware is almost 14. Did I read it? I don't know. It looks like it. Yeah, almost. Yeah. Okay. And we're gonna pour that in. Kitty, I swear. And we're gonna grate some of this, so I'm gonna pause. And I should have had some of the Zote ready like I do, but I wanted to do this with you guys, but it didn't work out, so whatever. We'll be back. And we're gonna pour all the Zote in there. Zote. I'm not gonna grind the whole thing. I was, but I think this is enough. I think this is enough. Okay. And now let's get to a mix on. First, I'm gonna start with the little one. All right. I think the little one's gonna help it a lot better. Let me try to close it and shake it. Shake. Okay, ready? 3, 2. Okay, let's see what it does. Oh, the unstoppable. How can we forget the unstoppable? I'm gonna pour all of it. I don't care about this. I really don't. Let's see what it does. I don't care about this. What? I don't know. I am changing my stuff around, so we'll see. Maybe I do care about it. I guess. I don't know. I'm not crazy about it. I like the other mixture, the smell, but I think how it's gonna feel on my clothes is gonna be a lot better. Can't wait to use it on my next load. Thanks for watching. Let me clean up this mess.